What is going on, everyone? Welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to the Games of Pi. And this time around, we're going to be trying out, we're going to be doing a quick unboxing and my first final impressions of the DJI Mic Mini. Hopefully the camera will focus on the stage. There we go. There we go. So yeah, with that said, I'm quite excited. It's a brand new gadget I got because I'm obviously going to be doing a bit more, few more video gigs with like people that they need to have their voice into them. And I think that might be a great case. So today's episode, just a quick unboxing, see what the actual size is of the thing, maybe talk you some like stuff what's included in the box so you guys have an idea of what's going on. And then at the later episode, we're going to be trying to do a kind of like a try to record myself basically doing a couple of like tests, just outside here, so you see how it works in real life as well. So yeah, you have an idea. But yeah, let's get into it. All right, there we go. So DJI Mac Mini. Wow, my light is very bright. Cool. Let's see if I can keep it off lights, as I have possible. Anyway, I've taken the liberty of just recutting the the plastic wrap so we can get into the box a little bit easier, don't have that awkwardness. There you go. Doesn't look that bad now without the plastic wrap. But yeah, DJI Mac Mini. Let's see. Nice box as usual. All products from DJI usually they deliver on quality and packaging and all that stuff. So based on the box, what do we get here? We're gonna get a, I want to say there's one receiver and there's gonna be two transmitters in there. There's be a charging case. There's a carrying pouch. There should be two clip magnets. There should be a mobile phone adapter, Type C on that one. There should be 4 windscreens to muffle like wind noise and stuff like that. There'll be a camera audio cable, which we can connect from, I'm guessing, from the receiver back into the camera. And then there's going to be a USB-C charging cable as well, and some paperwork, obviously. This one says made for iPhone, but I'm presuming this is the adapter. But anyways, with that said, let's see if we can get into the box. So yeah, obviously I went for the one with the case, just to make sure that I have something to carry with, and obviously charge as well. Leave the box over there for now, maybe out of the frame. Paperwork, some stickers that you get obviously with it. I don't think I need to open these. But yeah, so carrying pouch, very nicely packaged. Let's see if we can get that open. Nice little plastic pad, right? And what we're faced with here, we have the item is inside the carrying pouch. Carrying pouch feels of nice quality. You can't really pick that up, I think, on the camera, but it's like a dark kind of gray color to it. Nicely, it feels thick, premium, high quality. Comes with a little zip with a branding of DJI on the thing. You can see that probably there on the mug. Yeah, probably there. Right, pull that open. Let's say these are the, I heard somebody call them dead cats. Is that a thing? Is that what they're called? Well, they were called just wind muffers or wind muffs. Gives you the camera cable, good old gel. And we have our charging case, which with the receivers and the transmitter will be there. Sorry, transmitters and receiver, single. Bag inside has little pockets. There you can store your items. It has actually an inside zip as well. You can put your stuff there. Maybe if you have like cards you want to use for your memory cards for your car, your cameras or whatever. So cabling here we have the camera, or maybe that's the cable. Well, it actually said it there, wasn't it? That's the camera audio cable. So you connect that from into the camera jack, and it goes into the receiver. Got the USB-C. I want to say this is the charging cable. And here we should have our 2 wind muffs as well. Oh no, they're not 2, they're 4, sorry. The black ones. Now, I don't know if that's true, but somebody said that these are outdoor ones, and these are for indoor use. So it looks like they've got mini clips. I don't know if you can pick that up there. So they looks like they just clip on over. What else we have here? Let's see. There we go. Right, guys, there you go. First impressions, nicely weighted. Feels nice quality. DJI branding on the very top there as well. So that's obviously a charging case, which I think I recommend, like if you guys can afford it, maybe go for the charging case, because then that makes it so much easier, most likely, to just carry them around and have that going. To open the box, I think you press here, it says, and you pull that up. Right, and there we go. It looks like it's already flashing. So we have the USB-C, which I'm guessing you can use on Androids and iPhones. We got the one receiver, which is tiny. We got the 2 transmitters, which also is obviously your mics. Right, real life. For the record, I don't actually have big hands, but this thing is literally minuscule. Having said that, it does feel nicely weighted, but not too much. I think it's only like 10 grams based on the box. Yeah, I think so. Tiny. And you got like an on button here. And I'm guessing that's how you link it. It's like a link button. And your little receiver looks like has like a volume button here. And that's gonna show eventually. Focus. Anyway, oh, there you go. There you go. There's a number 6 there. That could be just a volume knob or gain, but possibly could be gain. It goes +6, +12, -6, and -12, back to 0. On button. USB-C, I'm guessing to charge it, jack to go in and link to, so let's call it Mic RX. Okay, interesting. Cool. I thought that this just goes on the hot shoe of the camera. Does it not? Ah, there we go. I don't know what that is actually. Is that just to charge? Oh, these are the magnets. Okay, cool. I don't know. I'm not sure what that is, to be honest, but it probably is where it goes on the hot shoe of the camera. Well, that's what I'd like to think. Or maybe something different. To be double checked. Right, those little things I just realized. Those are the magnets. Whoa, they're very strong magnets actually. Yeah, this definitely hold this little tiny mic. So without the magnet, it feels even lighter, but with the magnet together, also a little nice detail here, the DJI logo, and obviously on the magnet. Super nice, strong magnets. There's no way you put this on and it will go anywhere for you. So yeah, you got the one. Same for the other. I should probably put it more like that, isn't it? Put it over there. And more in frame. How about that? Is that better? Another little back there as well. But yeah, DJI Mac Mini. First impressions, love it. I love how small this is. I love the fact that it comes with the 2 types of wind muffs. Now, how good they are, we're going to have to do some tests eventually. You obviously have the little USB-C right sitting there, nice and tight. Actually, I can't even take that one out. Has some instructions there how to use the noise reduction on and off. It says pairing mode and all that. Comes with a charging case. Obviously, this particular setup, which gives you extended battery life and motion you're on the go in case you forget to charge anything. Pretty sure you can charge them individually through their USB-Cs. No, they're charging inside the case, so there's no external charging on those ones. So you have to charge them inside the case. This I think you can, because it's got the port for the USB-C, so most likely you can actually do that. But yeah, overall, nice feels quality. I love the fact that it comes with the pouch to protect the actual case. But if you want, you can just take the case if you are like short on space. 2 little wind maps for indoor use, outdoor use, tiny ones there. Yeah, overall impressions. Yeah, that'd be great. I think we're gonna do some tests eventually. We're gonna see if I can put that together into some kind of video for your enjoyment. I don't know how scientific the test will be, but yeah, we're gonna have to bear with us. But yeah, with that said, guys, thank you very much indeed for watching, and we will see you into the next one. Oh, before I forget, I will be putting up links for videos and playlists on either side of the screen. If you like that kind of content, yeah, feel free to click on those. And then yeah, guys, we'll see you very, very soon. Take care.